A big hi to you all from IndiaBizForSale.com, a premium discovery platform for business exit and acquisitions in India. The vibrant Gujarat Summit 2015 is just 42 days away from us. This is Hiral Suryavanshi once again with another exciting opportunity from Evergreen Pharma sector. The opportunity of the day is a pharma plant situated in Vadodara, a well-known city for pharma industry. The company is in the business since 1986, having WHO approval for small volume parenterals beta-lactam injectables. It also has GMP and ISO certification. The facility is NAF, DAC and Kenya approved. The company is into manufacturing of tablets, capsules, dry syrup, liquids and ointments. The plant is situated just 3 kilometers away from Vadodara Airport. The plant building is situated in an eco-friendly area free from dust, smoke, chemical and biological emissions. Plant is surrounded by open land planted with trees, plants and garden. The manufacturing facility has been designed for logical flow of material and men and utilizes the concept of vertical material flow. The plant has been provided with all necessary arrangements to minimize the risk of errors, avoid cross contaminations and mix-ups. The company is available for sale with goodwill, land, building and machines. The asking price for this company is between 26 to 30 crores. So the big question now, why do they want to sell it? The owners have created a platform for devoting full-time service to humanity, an ashram. What a noble cause. This was the short description about this exclusive opportunity. To understand more, you can contact us on +91 8000 422 133 or email us on hiral@indiabizforsale.com. IndiaBizForSale.com is your ultimate destination to explore all the exciting business opportunities in India.